What about us? Questions from a western parish hard hit by Hurricane Melissa, where residents and political representatives complain that they have been left out of relief efforts. Krista Campbell has an exclusive report on Hanover after Melissa.
We can't sleep in my room now. Water, they're running like nothing right now.
We are now feeling, and I always use this term, hello. We are now feeling like a stepchild. We are feeling like as if Hanover is not a part of Jamaica. Hanover is not a part of Western Jamaica. That is totally damaged.
It's as if Hanover had a big target on its back and Hurricane Melissa was a sharpshooter. 2 weeks since the giant storm blasted its way through the western parish, buildings lay shattered and residents are struggling with the broken pieces.
Citizen, China, and clean part of the road straight through from Kingsville to Cardwell.
Residents say because no outside help has been forthcoming, they helped themselves using chainsaws and other cutting tools to clear debris that had blocked the main road. Lucy Mayor Sheridan Samuels feels the parish has been left out in the cold to fend for itself.
We are really handicapped. We are impotent. We are not getting any form of assistance at the municipal corporation level. We are not getting anything. The goods that we see coming in, they are coming in from Food for the Poor, and it's going to the church.
My daughter can so water yesterday they can give me enough from way over Cessnock, way over that side. So no water, no food same way.
Yeah, me get little banana and so forth, so I go and cook and buy little things put in the house, like flour and sugar me have in the house. So I go and use it till it finish.
Like other hard-hit parishes, there is a huge demand for water in Hanover. It's why the delivery of 3 truckloads of relief supplies from the Portmore Municipal Corporation in St. Catherine on Monday was treated like rain during a prolonged drought.
We have taken over 2,000 care packages, plus material for home, tarpaulin, other stuff like clothing and things for children, and also sanitary napkins. We also take our generator, where we charge the phones for the people here, and we have charged maybe over 100 phones because we want to make certain that they are up, that they can communicate to their relatives locally and also abroad.
The councils are the first contact for the people, and we don't have anything to really hand out to them at this stage.
Mayor Samuels is also councillor for the Caldwell division. He says the $250,000 government allotment to councillors ahead of the hurricane was not enough for the level of help Hanover needs. While Member of Parliament for Hanover Western, Heather Miller Bennett, says her $1.5 million allotment has been exhausted and many residents are still urgently in need of relief supplies.
I received 250 packages yesterday that we are truly grateful for, along with 25 cases of water and some tarpaulin. But outside of that, we have not received any direct support.
Now, with more government relief supplies promised for Hanover, the MP says she's doing her own damage assessment to ensure help goes to those who need it most.
You can access, but it's by river. You can get to the area. It's called Georgie, and that's in the Riverside Division. That particular space, I would say over 80% of the houses were destroyed.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.